I'm Robert Sabelli, Chief Business Development Officer at Alta Sciences. Over the past decade or so, Alta Sciences has been working closely with our sponsors to create a unique model that moves their drug development program seamlessly across the various phases of development. The concept of successful integration model requires the implementation of specialized tools, proprietary software, and the process to have various divisions communicating with one another, as well as an executive leadership team fostering a culture of mindset of integration. That last piece is the X factor to ensuring sustainability and flexibility for our sponsors, allowing them to navigate our organization effortlessly and engage at any entry point. Today, I'm joined by many of our executive leaders across Alta Sciences who work continuously hand in hand to successfully conduct our sponsors' various studies and/or programs across our organization. How does geographic location of our sites enhance the collaboration and communication between us and our sponsors? And what advantages do they have with us being situated in North America?
We have 9 sites across North America from coast to coast. Most of our sponsors are interested in getting feedback from the FDA, whether it be through a pre-IND meeting or actually submitting an IND to the FDA. So our regulatory team stays very close to what's going on at the FDA, but also very close to what's going on at Health Canada. So we can customize the strategy for either location. We also have very favorable startup times, which is a great advantage. And if the strategy is outside of the US or Canada, our sponsors can still take that data to other agencies.
There's a lot of regulatory hurdles, a lot of operational hurdles all over the world, and we make it very easy to perform your study at any of our 9 sites and to use that with our regulatory guidance to submit and move your product forward.
Yeah, I think also having our sites co-located in most cases is very important for speed. The startup timelines are very favorable in both the US and Canada, especially right now. There's some challenges around the world for that. However, you know, being close and not having to worry about international shipments and that type of thing, it does allow you, once you start, to make sure that you've de-risked some of those things. You can keep your study on track. It also allows us to just condense the timelines wherever we possibly can because we're so close. And so in some cases, just saving 1 or 2 days makes a huge difference to our clients.
And Ingrid actually raises a very good point in that our labs are right next to our in-life facilities, whether it's the preclinical or the clinical sites. So that's really an efficient way to get the work done.
Yeah, and our CDMO as well. I mean, that's often a rate limiter for our early phase trials. If the drug is coming from afar, it can be very challenging. It can put the whole program at risk. So having that, you know, bundled within our services, but also having it close by is really excellent.
Yeah, I know we've had examples where at the CDMO we've manufactured product, and because the timelines were truncated, we physically drove the product up to the clinic, right, to stay on the timeline. So being able to do that in close proximity is really huge for our clients and something that we excel in.
Thank you so much for joining me. Incredible information, valuable information. And for all those who are watching, thank you very much and have a great day.